professional manufacturer, SunShine has been producing cakeboard and cakebox products for more than 9 years. With those years running, SunShine is deeply understand what customers need, and SunShine is always providing our customer with specified products and good service. Till now, we have been cooperated for the customers from more than 19 countries. Okay, so we also gain a lot of reputation from the market and from our customer. Right now, as the increasing variety of the demand of market, our customer is asking for us for more and more items. SunShine is upgrade a service level. We are going to provide our customer with more service, one-stop service for bakery packaging. The service includes design, sourcing, purchasing, and the production, warehousing, and the coordination, logistic, customer packaging, and the new product development. I'm sure with those services, we can help our customer to settle the purchasing problems and to help our customer to win the market, just like our brand Packin way, to deliver the happy and the sweet to our customer to all over the world. Packin on the way. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.